Hello everyone, in this video I wanted to quickly talk about Azure Service Health, and it's a good time to talk about because I already got a couple of issues regarding Azure Service Health that gave me some problem this morning, and this is about 8 hours since I had the same problem. So I'm going to try to log in and try to do some stuff and see if I still have the problem or it's gone. So sometimes when you're having problem with this Azure, okay, one place you can always go to check whether it's a problem with your own deployment, your own setting, or there might be some Azure platform related problem going on. So here, what I did, I just searched for the service health, and we have come down to the service health service issues played, and it looks like no services was found in the last 24 hours. And if you look at it, it says C1 resolve service issue. So I bet that is probably the issue that I had this morning. So you can click on this one, and here it says issues when attempting to connect to something. Okay, let's see if I can expand this one. Yeah, actually expand. You can go over here and look at what was the exact problem of that particular issue. Okay, so it looks like impacted service, network infrastructure, impacted regions, US 2. What is the subscription that got impacted? Here's my subscription. You have a nice summary, exactly what happened. Maybe experience intermittent periods of degraded connectivity when attempting to connect to Azure resources. So they will have a root cause analysis. After initial investigation, determined there was degraded network connectivity. Okay, and mitigation. Connectivity has been restored to the Microsoft Edge locations and impact has been mitigated. So we are continuing to investigate the issue to establish a full root cause to take steps to help prevent future occurrences. So this is though very rare. So I'm using Azure for maybe say 6 to 8 months, almost on a daily basis, probably a little bit longer than that. I have never seen anything like that. This is probably the first time I'm seeing planned maintenance is going to come up time to time, but most of the time planned maintenance would not impact any of the services. And if you are building your infrastructure intelligently, you can avoid any planned maintenance, any downtime, any service degradation and stuff like that. You can also look at the health advisories. Action recommended, allow communication, something like that. Again, is I think, yeah, there is another health advisories is there. This is a little bit different than your service issues. Here it looks like impacted service is the SQL database. Again, the same region, and I got this because I had a Azure SQL database instance running. Okay. So what they are saying, to improve performance and reduce logging latency, existing SQL database gateway in your region will begin accepting traffic on 15 September 2020. So they have already done something to mitigate the problem. Security advisories usually, I don't see too much in here, but if you have a large infrastructure, there must maybe something that will show up. The other thing you can go and click on the health alerts. That will also tell you whether you have any health alerts recently. Resource health, health history. So we have kind of looked at all of that. There used to be a map. I'm trying to see where is the map. Let's just go over here. Is the map. So a lot of times what you will see, that if there's a service that's not working properly, okay, then the map sometimes will tell you that where you might have the problem. So let's come back over here and we look at the service health, and I'm just going to search for health and see if there's anything else that I need to look at. No, I don't think we're good. Advisor is probably another place that I would sometimes go to see and check if I have any recommendation based on the infrastructure that I'm using. And I don't have a lot of resources, so I probably won't have a lot of recommendation for me but like here, look, cost, security, reliability, they're saying I'm all good. Not uh, because I'm really all good, just because I don't have that many resources, so there's not too much to do the evaluation on. There's one low impact operational excellence, and that's going to create Azure service health alert. So that's great. So so it's telling me, hey, if something happens to your account, to your subscription, get an alert, create an alert, so you're aware when you have a service issues that may impact your subscription. And it's really easy. You just do create an alert, and you just go through and put the alert in a resource group, and you define your condition, category, and impact level. What is creating for operational excellence, cost, stuff like that. Or you can go by the recommendation type as well, and there are different type of rules that you can choose from here, and they're kind of divided by the type of resource, like host pool, HT Insight, disk, data factory, pipeline, Cosmos DB account. Different for different types you can create alerts. You would end up needing an action group. You create an alert rule. An action group is something where you will define and create the action group resource, and you can reuse that resource once you have it, and create multiple rule, and you can use that to send your notification in many different ways, like SMS, email, phone, multiple different ways to multiple different people. So that's a quick overview of what the service health does for you. It's a very useful resource for you, and it's got a good reporting features as well. So what you can do, like if you want a detailed report, you can also download this issue summary as a PDF report and go from there. Sorry for the background noise, but so what I was saying, that you can download the report, and if you download the report over here, okay, it will just be available just as PDF document. You can open it up, and once you open it up, you can look at the details, and if you want to present some report to somebody, SLT or something, you can review it in greater details and show it to and include it in your report. Maybe your own root cause analysis type report, you can refer to that one. Root cause is expected by 2028-21. So they're saying, okay, we have resolved the problem, but we're still working on it, and they expect, today is August 14th, looks like they're saying within about a week or so you will have the root cause that will be available to you. Look at another feature that is really cool. If you have the scanner, if you can use this code to kind of track this issue on your mobile. They have even a Twitter account that you can quickly connect and kind of follow many different type of issues. And at the same place, if you want to connect to Azure support, you can create a support request, and that's also very easy. Just click on it, and depending on your service plan, you just choose different things as your services, issue type, just complete, fill out your forms. They're pretty self-explanatory what's going on, and then just they will give you a default solution sometimes, and if there's no solution to a problem, if you feel like that's going to solve your issue, then you just say, okay, I'm going to accept it. If not, you feel like you still need further support, you just go ahead and submit a ticket, and you will get a response back from the Microsoft support. So that's pretty much it. So we have covered service issues, health advisories, security advisories, general health history, resource health, and here you can do particular type, resource type you can choose depending on what kind of resource you have, then look for what it is. And as I said, you should probably consider creating alerts for your health advisory, so you're aware of what's going on, and you are proactively taking action on them. Alright, that's all for the video. Just play with it, just be aware that you have this service available to you, kind of sometimes help you figure out if there's a problem with Azure, and take that into consideration. Alright, thank you, have a great day.